All right, guys, I've got another one for you. This time, we're in Sacramento, California, where a woman was carjacked, and the next day, officers tracked down the stolen car with the suspect still inside. As you'll see, things don't go smoothly. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.
Hopped out of the car. There was no one around.
We do this every morning, by the way.
So we started the car, and normally there's someone with the car.
Okay.
So this time we literally just like both of us like, oh, we forgot something. We stepped in the car in the house right here. I was like right here. I heard the car close, and I was like, wait. And then I looked, and there was a guy in the car. And then I stopped, and I was like, no, please don't do this. And then I walked around to try to get in the car, and he took off, and he kind of drugged me.
Okay, so you were trying to grab.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Now. Step out. Now.
Come in.
Yeah. Do not step yet. Hold up. Do not move. Put your hand right.
Come on, bro.
Bravo 28. Can you serve me another unit? At me.
Come here.
Hey.
Huh?
Stay right where you're at. You understand? Do not move.
I'm coming.
Do not move.
Coming.
Do not move.
Okay.
Do not move. I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you.
Let me come out.
I'm out with the suspect on the 215. Do not move. I'm going to tase you right now.
Let me come out.
No, I'm going to tase you. Stay right where you're at.
Look my fucking eye up, man.
Do not move. If you move, I tase.
Hold on.
Do not
Hold
move.
on, wait. I'm about to sit
And it
down.
looks like he's actually going to map a Cantalier and baseball
Do not
alley.
move. If you move, I'm
No.
tasing you. Let me see your hands.
They
Put
right
your
here.
hands. I swear, if you move, I tase.
They're
You
right
understand?
here. I'm coming out.
I'll tell you when to step out. I will tell you when to step out. If you
coming
move,
out.
I tase you.
I'm coming out.
I will tell you when to step
Damn.
out. Do not start this car.
I'm not. I'm trying to move back right here.
Do not start this car. Do not start it. You hear those cars? Do not move. I'm going to tase you right now.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Do not move. Do not move.
Damn.
Do move this car.
28, where you at?
Do not move this car.
Let me come out.
No.
Fucking. Can I come out, please?
No, you cannot
not?
come out.
Why not?
Because I said so. Turn off this car.
Intersection of baseball alley and Cantalier.
Turn off this car.
Can I please go?
No, do not car.
Why not?
Because I said. Move it. Do not move.
So mapping right at the intersection of baseball alley and Cantalier.
Stand 2, start me a medic. I got.
Copy of the medic, Cantalier Street.
Are you sure? Get back! Why are you fucking recording, dumbass?
Okay.
Are you okay? Get back, Harley.
Yeah, I just
Did
got
you
it.
get hit?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Like with the gun. Did you get hit with the shot?
No, he hit me with his car.
Okay,
I'm
do you
okay.
need me to take you to the closest hospital, sir?
We don't have
Here, because I want
I got a medic coming.
going
Here.
southbound.
Come here.
Towards El Camino.
Come here.
Thank you, man.
Don't worry, my dog's
I'm
not.
okay.
She's not. She's
I think I'm
friendly.
okay.
What do you look like?
Yeah,
Why in the fuck are you recording, dumbass?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Fucking hate this neighborhood, dude.
Thank you.
Oh my
Thank you.
god. I didn't make sure he's okay. He's late.
Sarge, you can sit down.
You want to sit? My dog is. She's not gonna do anything. I think he took off that way.
That way. Just, here.
He can sit on the hood of my car if he needs
Let's
to.
move you over here.
When your description was never further.
Right here.
Just give me a second. Just let me catch my breath for a second.
Time when it has not, and I just sent you a photo.
Wait, what kind of car was shot? Oh, there's the fucking 250. Fuck. That's the car that was
If you
shot.
can't put me on that, I'll be checking El Camino from El Centro all the way east.
Check.
The Hyundai?
Yep.
Bravo 12, can we see if we can get responsible for the Development Islamic Community Center? 650 El Camino, they've got cameras looking pretty much directly where the scene would be.
Check.
And Bravo 25, on that Hyundai Tucson, it's not actually silver, it's like a light blue teal color.
Bravo 32. We located the Hyundai on that 245 call for us in Las Palmas.
What you want? Channel you want?
Currently 3. I got it. Message.
Bravo 36.
No, we're 32. Bravo 32. We're on that 245 call for us in Las Palmas. We located the Hyundai.
I can't tell if anyone's in there with that.
Copy the Hyundai about the 5 for last moment call.
I thought this was the car that they were shot at.
I think it
They
is.
said hospital on Colson, possibly Kaiser North.
Can I go in there?
Perfect.
do it right now.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Okay, thank you. See you next time.